So what's going on with SMCI after the last year in October? Huge pullback of almost 45%. However, lately we got a nice jump of 10%. This year it might be different. Plus the earnings is coming up next month in February. So let us discuss where the price will go. Are we gonna have another huge jump for SMCI? If you don't know, guys, SMCI was the best play last year, beginning of last year. We have a huge jump for it, and 2024 and the end of 2025 the price shift down. So let us discuss the price action, and before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So let me just show you what's going on so far. Last earnings and the last reverse split I think we got in October, a split of 10 to 1. This has changed everything because the price, yeah, reversed after that, but didn't recover and went down. After that, even the last earnings, positive earning was in November 2024. And after that, we got 4 bad earnings, and now we've got earnings coming up next month in February, 3rd of February, or just 2 weeks from now. So where the price will go after this humongous jump down? Here in 2024 in March, everything changed because we went 85% down. However, if you see in the big picture here on April 2020, where COVID happened, SMCI technically outperformed many stocks because it went from $1 until now 36. Even down, went down from the 122 and now it's 35. But if you see the perspective, or everything in trading in life is perspective. If you see back in COVID, when everything went down, if you just bought SMCI, you'll be down, you'll be up still almost 2000% up. So outperform all the other stocks. However, in a smaller picture, if you bought around the high and you don't know how to exit, or let's say you've been greedy and you just hold without exiting, without knowing how to exit, because if you one of our hunter on Discord, we always discuss those kind of stock that jump big time, like SPHL did almost 200% and more in few hours or few minutes, and we suggest to exit on those trade. And of course we already exited from those trade for AGPU. The other one, we got, as you can see here, we got EVTV. We traded so many times and we took our profit on it because those stocks jump big time and then pull back. So if you don't know how to trade and how to exit and enter those kind of stocks, the link come section below to our Discord and Patreon, guys. There's always opportunity. If you did a mistake, don't worry. There's always a solution to how reverse the mistake. However, if you asking right now what's going on with SMCI, because many of the comment section tell me what's going on, why you didn't do another update for SMCI. The reason is because SMCI been consolidating, okay? Consolidating a lot. And we have low volume, no interest from a lot of traders. But now, if you see in the technical, we hit discounted price or price of value. Every time any stock, when it pulled back, when it dropped a lot, it trigger buying pressure from the whales because they see a value because it is discounted. What happened here back in October 2024? It happened again in 2025 and might happen in 2026. So every year there's opportunity to buy a dip for SMCI. For now, it's getting or already got near this dip around the 25 or the 26, guys. You see? That's why reversed up. So now we have to watch out close because the 26th was our bottom. We didn't even test it. We went until the 27th. The reason is because the earnings coming up, there's high expectation. This year will be different. Last earnings was, yeah, we were down 6. As you can see here, the revenue expected, the estimate will be double from the last year. Last year it was 5 billion, now it's 10 billion, and now the earnings as well expected to be almost 0.50. So you see, there's a huge estimate for SMCI before the earnings. So I'm watching it closely to go at least this time toward the 35.75, and maybe after that the 46 and the 62. This is before the earnings. If we have a really good expectation before the earnings, we should do another 10% by the next week. And after that, we might do 40% here around the 46 and the 62. So this will be a huge jump for it before the earnings or during the earnings to do at least 37 or 40%, and the best case scenario for this year is 88% or almost 100% toward the $62. So this is what I expect, guys, if we have a good earnings. If we don't have a good earnings, watch out for the rejection around the 36.35 and drop around the 17.34. But the good reaction or the good estimate, if we expected to have a really good reaction, we should break the 35.75 and go toward, let's see how much we can do if we broke from here. Yeah, 24%, I will lower it toward 44. And this one, I will lower it as a realistic price around the 54.88. This is what I expect, guys, for SMCI, because it look really interesting right now. And even in the after hours, let's see, we got a bit of buying pressure, yes. So yeah, I expect a really good reaction for SMCI in the coming days. And maybe I will add another support, let's see, in the big picture or small picture. Yeah, around the $30 or almost the $31. So yeah, it looked really interesting for the next week trade, guys. That's why I kept it here on the list. Let me know, guys, what you think about the earnings. Are we gonna have a breakout over the 35 or 36, or are we gonna have a drop? Thank you for watching, and see you back on our live streaming. Of course, the market will be closed. Happy everybody in the United States for Martin Luther King birthday. And of course, see you back on Tuesday as usual, 30 minutes before the market open on our live streaming, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. Thank you for watching, and have a nice holiday.